morning, guys. It is covering up the town name, but no biggie. 35 below zero right now here. This is absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna check and see if our nice 2021 Outlander Can-Am will actually even start up today. Right now. I know it's in a trailer, so it should be a little bit warmer, but you can see my breath. It's still super freaking cold. It's even hard on your lungs when you're breathing in this crap. So 36 below zero, guys. This thing's been out in the cold for the last, I don't know, week, just sitting there. So let's see. Whew, she fired. That's a good sign. Get in there. Come on, baby. I don't think she's gonna go. I think I got it. I think I gotta get it somewhere warm. I'll try once, maybe twice more. I don't want to kill the battery. Nope. Throw a battery tender on it. Whew. Yeah, so is that just rubber? Perfect. Oh, there you have it. The Can-Am at its match. One more time. No. I'll throw a tender on it. God, that metal, it burns your fingers right across here. Whew. Damn it. So 36 below zero, guys. Let's see, shut this bugger off. That's the limit of these things. Unless you got them in a warm garage, or start them every single day when it's super cold out like that. But I give her credit, she actually tried starting. Most vehicles, if you leave them outside in this weather, will not start. Like, it's pretty much nothing likes these temps at all around here. So that's part of the fun of living in Minnesota. Absolutely ridiculous cold weather right now. We've had it for about the last week. We've had 30 below zero up here. And that's why I haven't been doing very much for videos, because just being outside with bare hands or holding up my GoPro with bare hand is, your fingers just literally start freezing, getting super, super cold. But I gotta get a battery tender put on that thing, get it charging. Try and fire it up later today when it warms up to like 17 below zero for a high. Alright guys, we're back. ATV's been on the trickle charger for a while, showing that it's charged. Actually, it's been quite a few hours. There's some frost. That's how cold it is. But let's see if this bugger will start up now that it's been on the little charger. And it's like, excuse me, it's like 17 below out right now. There we go. Success. Perfect. And that is how you start a Can-Am Outlander at 35 below zero. Number one, you don't. Number two, you plug it in and let it warm up a little bit, and then you start it. So yeah, that's just brutal, brutal cold. So hopefully this will end. I think we got another like 2 days of this stuff, and then it's supposed to end after that. So alright guys, hope you liked the video. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.